Hey y'all, it's Adrienne. Welcome or welcome back if you've been here a while. So for those of you who don't know me yet, I bought a brand new house back in January of this year. It's been a hectic few months since I moved in, so I'm starting a new series called Getting My House Back on Track. And the first episode is, you guessed it, lawn care. It's the first thing you see when you pull up to someone's house, so it's super important to me. If you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Now here is where I need you guys. I am trying to get this Bermuda sod thick and healthy. So if you had any tips or tricks for helping it to fill in, drop them in the comments below. I want to hear what's worked for you. My lawn has certain patches in different spots. Some areas it's a bit thicker than others. So yeah, I'm just trying to get it nice and green, like my neighbor's yard. You see my neighbor next door, you see where you can see clearly where his grass starts and mine starts, because like his grass is super green. You see it. He's out there every day though. Like he turns the sprinkler on every day. He's been like putting some kind of fertilizer or whatever on it. I just need to know what's going to work, because there's so many products out there and I don't want to waste my money. I'm on a budget. So I just need something that's going to get it nice and plush and green. That like barefoot grass where you can just walk out barefoot and it feels so soft and comfortable. That's what I want. All right, and here you can see one of the main things I struggle with is weeds. You see how these weeds right here, like they were even taller than this. This is only the second time that I'm cutting this grass. Actually, only my second time cutting grass, period. I got this lawnmower and started using it right out the box, and I think I'm doing pretty well. But like, do you ever get to a point where the weeds just don't grow back, or is that just a thing? Like, when do you get to the point where you're just cutting the grass versus these weeds that pop up? And then, like I said before, there's like sections where the sod, I guess, is a little uneven. Like it doesn't really, maybe some gaps in the sod from when they put it down. And there's still those lines. Like I just want to get to the point where those lines are no longer there. I've been here 7 months now. So is it just going to take longer? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because yeah, it also seems a little patchy. Like some areas you can see that's definitely grass. And then some areas it's like, that looks more like just regular dirt. And then speaking of dirt, there is clay underneath this sod. So it's like red clay. And I've heard that red clay is super hard to grow. But then I've also read that no matter, you can still grow some really decent grass. So yeah, just let me know in the comments what you guys think. You know what's so funny is that I grew up watching my stepdad cut grass like countless number of times. Our grass, other people's grass. Like, I never even imagined that this could one day be me. I never even thought of myself as being a homeowner. I never dreamed that I would own a home one day. And the last 24 months have just been life-changing, if you will. And yeah, I am a full-fledged homeowner and I am throwing myself into all the things. And so, yeah, I am really excited about this next step in my life. And I can't wait to finish out this series and learn new things. And I just want to be a good steward of my home and take care of it and ensure the longevity of my house. All right, y'all. So the camera cut off here for some reason, this last little stretch of yard, but this is where we are right now. It is still a work in progress, but already it's looking so much better than when we first started. And this is the end of episode 1. Stay tuned for the next video in the series. Bye, y'all.